All around the skies are falling down. The flowers have withered, the mirrors are shattered, and the music is dead. Pain, grief, remorse, agony, frostbitten mind, torn nerves, glazed eyes, hearts on fire. Sir, I see chains of slavery, chains of poverty, web of frustration, dejection, depression. Ah, for thee, sir. Tyrants have injected their venom into the veins of humanity, burned our castles in vengeance with their evil hearts, evil minds, evil plans, and evil smiles. Yes, sir, the oppressed, subjugated people are suffering, crying, and dying. Sir, balance sheet of my time is in my hand, soaked with blood. My hands, look at my bloody hands, tied with chains, look at my wounded body. My soul, shackled in chains of longing desires. Sir, am I going to be a loser? No, not at all. I shall rise from ashes to glory. I shall break all the chains, yes. I shall act, react, and crush all the chains which have deprived me of my freedom. Nothing to lose but chains. Nothing to lose but this slavery. Nothing to lose but this burning hell. Worthy President, my heart bleeds to see this united, disintegrated Muslim Ummah. My heart bleeds to see senseless, faithless, helpless Muslims. My heart bleeds to see frenzy, butchery and slavery in Iraq, Afghanistan, Palestine, Syria and Kashmir. Pools of blood, pellet guns, tortured bodies in the name of war against terrorism. Awake, arise Muslim Ummah, time is out of joint. No more slavery, no more subjugation, no more chains. Burn your boats like Tariq bin Zayed did. Fight against evil like Ghaznavi Ayyubi Sultan did. We will fight against the enemies of Islam with our flaming sword of courage. Enough. No more chains. We shall retaliate to claim an eye for an eye, an ear for an ear, a life for a life. To avenge Burhanuddin Wani's death, the resilient, courageous Kashmiris facing butchery of Indians, yet not breaking, waiting for a dawn, a new dawn of freedom, when all crowns will be tossed in the air, all thrones will be smashed. Yes, sir, we will not suffer, but fight against all injustice to bring our revolution like Mandela, Martin Luther, Khomeini, and many other gallants. Fire, attack, retaliate. Hey, listen. Listen, you all slaves. Speak, your lips are free. Speak, your tongue is still yours. Speak, truth still lives. Look inside the leaping flames of oppressions. Chains are disintegrated. You are free with your destination's courage and determination. Time has come for the blossoming of flowers, the new day's birth in the whirlpool of time. Nothing to lose but chains to uphold the banner of blood like the martyr in the line of fire under the leadership of Quaid-e-Azam in 1947. The smoke in his eyes, the dirt on his face, the blood in his veins to glorify green flag. Mr. President, we Pakistanis are enslaved, trapped in the trackless jungle of oppressions, captive bodies, chained emotions, shackled minds. We are confined slaves to the Godzillas of corruption, slaves to our foreign masters, slaves to a dreadful system with poverty, hunger, terrorism and mafia as our trademarks. But sir, do not grieve. This pain will cease, wounds will heal. Day will dawn, night will end. Time will change. Yes, with our supreme willpower, we will be free from all chains and all monsters will be drawn into the sea. Yes, chains are broken. Let your soul breathe. Surely, this caravan of pain will come to an end. Thank you.
This was Shoaib.